not allow the low frequency values. So now what I have to do over here is, first I will set my this channel 1 input. So channel 1 input I have to set means I have to take the voltage amplitude point to point. So my amplitude I will set around 10 volt. Okay, so I will set first 10 volt, and I will keep my frequency to be around, so I will set my frequency now, and frequency I will keep around 300 hertz. Okay, so now I have set my 10 volt peak to peak and 300 hertz. So you can see this is my input which I have set, which is of 300 volt, 300 hertz and 10 volt. Now what can you can see this is 10 volt into 1 division, so it will be total two divisions have been covered. Now what I have to do is, the next thing which I am going to do over here is, now I will just consider, I have to say check out now these divisions for my output. Okay, so this is the set 1 input for channel 1. Now what will be my output? Fine. So for checking the output, what I am going to do over here is, I will just do my channel 2 which is my output, and I will check. Okay, so this is my expected output which I am going to get. Okay, so now here what happens over here is, now it is covering 3 divisions, right? So means as and when you are increasing your frequencies, you are getting more number of waves. So that is how the output of your half-wave filter is been used. Okay, so you can just see it is covering 3 divisions. Okay, and it is 300 volt. So this is the expected output of your high pass filter. Okay, so this is made, so you can see. So as and when you go on increasing your frequencies, see now if I increase my frequency, okay, so if I make my frequency to be 1 hertz, so you can just see what are the changes taking place here. More number of waveforms they are comparing. So this is the output of your expected output of your filter of this experiment. So this is the how to draw the basic this for your high pass and low pass. So for high pass what happens, it will for till it will be constant for your frequency, and then it goes on decreasing. Similarly for low pass, it will first increase and then it will remain constant. So this is how for your high pass and low pass it has been carried out. These two experiments are being carried out. Okay, so thank you students. I hope it is everything is clear.